up, ladies and gentlemen, we see what is famously known here in Barbados and also in the Caribbean as just under us is the mahogany arcade leads up to Churchill Hill. For thousands of years, we would use this very same pathway just on the road bridge, heading up to Churchill Hill, linking the east to the west of the island with many artifacts of display here at our greenhouse. In these sections, we see the young and old mahogany trees, we see the young and old over the hills and far away, looking out for